Got away to do a one-night camping trip at Cochiti Lake. Pretty nice. When I got here, it was cloudy, looked like it was going to rain. Then the sun came out, and now the wind is starting to pick up. So need to keep an eye on that because I don't have the new awning. Has the poles down, but it's not staked into the ground, so kind of got to keep an eye on that. It's pretty relaxing. I'd come back here. I like it. A little different than being in the mountains, but my last 3 trips have been in so much dirt, and it's so dry in New Mexico that everything is filthy. So this trip, I just decided to stay on pavement and hang out, kind of do some glamping, I guess you could call it. So only here for one night, but it is fairly quiet. There's a couple other people camping close, but they're not really bugging me. And I'm trying to just kind of keep it down over here so I'm not bugging them. The campsites are pretty close, so pretty nice. I'd come back. I'll take a nap. Yeah, these are pretty nice little spots here. You're sitting on a concrete slab, and they got this cool picnic table with, I love this covering. It's got like a copper roof on it. It's really cool. And a little fence around it. There's a fire pit or a grill. We're in a fire band, so we cannot have an open fire, but I can have my fire pit. So I'm gonna run that later. And I got new awning set up. I got the Open Road 270. This is kind of the first trip out with it. So let's see what the temperatures are. So it was a little bit ago, it was about 93. The outside is actually dropping. The inside is still 93 in here. So I do have the fan at about 50%, trying to draw some of it out. So this place has a shower, but I took my camping shower and I attached it to this post that's for hanging lanterns, and I have it in my water jug. So I thought, just goof around, we'd check it out, see if it worked. There it goes. It would work. All right. Feels pretty good. We had a friend make this light on a 3D printer. So it's pretty nice. Got different settings and a dimmer. So you can up, down, dim it. The lights on. So I literally just got the awning set up, got the lights on, just getting ready to sit down and relax, and wind started picking up, and it's been gusting. Right now it's calmed down, but I don't know if it's going to gust again, so I just put the awning in. So I'm just going to sit here with the little light and maybe the new light on the camper. So welcome to, this is camping in New Mexico, but check this out. All right, so I can live with the wind because I mean this is what you see in the evening. Okay, this got crazy. The wind has picked up, and it looks like there might be a storm coming in on this side of me. So I put everything away, and this campground is a no alcoholic beverages campground. So we're gonna sit and enjoy a Coke and wait for the storm. Cheers. I think we might get some more stuff closed up. So this is our little light that we did. Way better than the LEDs. It's so much nicer. It looks like the storm might be passing behind us. So my microphone's about to die. So I just shut the fire down. And I was just standing here watching the sky. And I don't think it's gonna hit us. I think it's a lot of wind. Let's just keep picking up. So on that note, since this is about to die, I think we might just go ahead and shut everything down and maybe hop inside for the evening. So I will see you in the morning. Good morning. I got up early because I wanted to watch the sunrise. I think other people in the campground are up already too. I'm hearing cars. Should be a pretty nice one. So, of course, now it's dead calm, so I'm able to put the awning up in the morning. And I'm able to get the lights going. This is what I wanted to do last night. See how all this looks. This is the area to the south. You can, from the campsite, you can kind of see a lake. There's nothing special about this lake. There's a dam. It's kind of a reservoir thing. It's okay. So the Cochiti Lake campground was created by the Army Corps of Engineers, I believe in the 60s. So started packing up. I think I'm gonna head back early. Kind of want to get back in the city and get some stuff done today, so I think we'll start putting stuff away and get out of here. So I think we'll wrap up. Until next time, thank you for watching till the end, and see you on the next adventure.